Hello and welcome to the Enduring Gardener. Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to take cuttings from mint. So the first thing I'm going to do is look for a healthy stem about 8 to 10 centimeters long, and I'm going to cut it off just below a leaf node, and then I'm going to remove those lower leaves and pop it into a little glass of water. You use a glass so you can see the roots developing over time. I'm going to take these and put them on a warm windowsill or in the greenhouse. And then within 2 or 3 weeks they will have rooted just like this. I'm using a peat-free compost from Dalefoot, although in truth mint will pretty much grow anywhere, but I'm keeping it in a pot because it's a bit of a thug and I don't want to put it in the ground, otherwise it will take over. It's just simply a case now of teasing these roots apart. Oh, that looks nice, doesn't it? I'm using my finger as a dibber, making sure all the roots completely buried in the compost, spreading them out evenly towards the edge of the pot. I'm going to nip out the top, which will encourage bushier growth. So we're going to give these a water now and then leave them out of direct sun for 2 to 3 weeks. And 3 weeks later, you'll have something like this. So the only question then is it green tea or is it mojito?